Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now? Plug the Geenie Smart Plug into power and watch the LED. Make sure your phone is on the same too. 4 GHz Wi-Fi network, not 5 GHz because the plug communicates on 4 GHz. Open the Geenie app and sign in or create an account so device data saves to the cloud. Once you're signed in, tap Add Device and choose the Smart Plug category. This triggers the app to look for the blinking device and begins pairing. Now follow the app prompts. Select the blinking smart plug and confirm it is in setup mode. You'll be asked to enter your Wi-Fi SSID and password. Type carefully because credentials are case sensitive. The app will transmit the info to the plug. Wait while it connects, which can take 20-60 seconds. Once connected, name the plug something memorable like living room lamp, and assign it to a room so you can control groups and schedule automations later. Finish by testing. Turn the plug on and off from the app and press the physical button to confirm local control. Then set schedules or timers and link with Alexa or Google Assistant if you want voice control. Follow the assistant's skill or service linking process. If connection fails, reset the plug to factory mode. Hold the button until LED flashes rapidly. Confirm you're using 4 GHz, recheck the Wi-Fi password, and briefly reboot your router. These steps resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.